What's going on, guys? I use these super Assilex sheets on the gold top and I forgot to do a review on them. I just wanted to share a new technique for sanding. A lot of guys wet sand after they're done applying their final coat of lacquer. Wet sanding can get you into a little bit of trouble sometimes if you get the water into the pickup rings or into the posts. You get that lift up and then you've got a mess. It's happened to me way too many times. And so one of my luthier buddies recommended these super Assilex dry sanding sheets, and I gotta say, this stuff works really well. They come in sort of kits from Eagle America. I got the finishing starter kit, and it's a 600, 800, 1000, 1200, 1500, then you go right to buff. What's really nice about this stuff is even the lower grits sand really fine. So this is the 600 grit I'm using right now. I've got a couple runs that I needed to clean up on this. And this stuff works great. It's a real shallow cut, but a real fine cut. And once you get a little bit of buildup, you can just sort of wipe it off on a towel and you can just keep going at it. So this stuff has worked really well for me. I've been really impressed by how it sands. You know, you get a lot of orange peel sometimes when you're spraying lacquer, and even if you sand in between coats, it's not going to level off. This stuff sands relatively quickly and takes out, you know, any runs or imperfections that you have, and I've been pretty impressed. So this is a review I've wanted to do for a while and just kind of forgot. You can see how nice this stuff cuts, and I'm impressed. It's 10 sheets in each packet. You break it off and you use it on the sanding pad, and for purposes of sanding before buffing, this works really well. I've already done the top, just going over a couple more spots, and I've got all the orange peel out. It's looking really clean. So what's really nice about this product as well is that the paper does not load up. So even though I've sanded all of this stuff off, all I had to do is just wipe it down like I said earlier, and it's clean. This is a really interesting product in that way. I know if you use regular sandpaper, even this one that I use with the holes in it, what happens is you get material stuck in the sandpaper itself, and this stuff does not do that at all. So just another great feature of this. Just wanted to share with you a quick review of these dry sanding sheets. Much easier to use than some of the wet sanding techniques that other folks have used. You can see the price point here. I don't mind the price based on some of the issues I've had with wet sanding. So just a quick review for you guys. If you like guitar related content, please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell, right? Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.